Hey everyone, hope you are all doing well. In this video, I am going to make a cute teddy bear, or you can say panda, using super clay. So let's go to the process. I have purchased this super clay from Amazon, and at first I am making a white round for the head. Here I am going to use pink color on panda's body to give it a cute look. I am adding its ear, hands and legs respectively. Now I am adding some accessories. Last but not least, I am finishing it by some details. So that's the final look. Thank you so much for giving your time. See you in the next video.